Hey everyone, I'm Cora, and today I'm going to be trying some new things and some things that are not so new but are new to me. So one of the things I'm most excited about is the Makeup Forever Super Boost Cream Tint Perfect Booster Hydration Perfecting Moisture Boosting Skin Tint. That was all seemed very repetitive. But I'm really excited to give this a try, obviously, because it's supposed to be hydrating. So that should be good. And then I've also got the Tower 28 concealer, which I hear is great for dry skin. And then I have the brand new Glow Recipe little blushes, Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewy Flush. And this is Watermelon Flush. So that's gonna be fun. And then, yeah, and then the rest, I'll tell you as I go along. All right, let's see. First of all, I'm gonna get started. I have the Live Tinted Super Hue Brightening Eye Cream, which I can take all the help I can get nowadays. This week has, it's been a week, and yeah, I didn't film yesterday because I had really super puffy eyes. I haven't been sleeping great, and I've been very emotional. I'm sure, like, well, I know any day now, Aunt Flo is gonna be coming to town. So, yeah, she's making my life like real fun right now. It's like, it's so weird. I am almost exactly 3 months away from turning 40, and just, I don't know, stuff seems like it's kind of going haywire a little bit right now. I mean, I'm sure part of it is like the anxiety I had in December. Once my cortisol levels go up from like anxiety, for me, it takes some time for them to like come back down. And also, I'm on thyroid medication, which also affects like that kind of thing. So it's just like a hormonal roller coaster for me right now. All right. In the Super Boost Skin Tint, I got 01. And it's a skin tint, so, because it looks really light to me. So then you just like kind of, you push the top down, just get a little bit in my fingers. I'm gonna use my fingers. It looks light, but that's okay. It's a skin tint, so it's not like super full coverage. It has a little bit of a smell. It doesn't smell bad though, I don't mind it. I'm not gonna use a primer right now because I just kind of want to see like how it does with no primer. I just, yeah, just like a really nice light layer to kind of just help even things out. My nose is peeling. I still have a teeny tiny like little red spot there. First impression, it's okay. It's just me. It's just me and my like crazy skin. I need to do some like extreme exfoliating, I think, to kind of help myself out. So yeah, I like to do that during the weekend because I've got like a scrub, then like you leave it on your face for 3 minutes, and it just seems like during the weekdays I just don't have enough time, so we're gonna save that for the weekend. Okay, so now the Tower 28. Hopefully this doesn't break me out. I tried the Tower 28 skin tint when it first came out, and that like made my neck break out in like a rash. So that's no good. Let's just help cover up all the problem areas. I want to use my finger before I use a sponge because I want to see like how it does with just my finger. That's usually how in the past I would apply a concealer, but seems like nowadays it's just not gonna work anymore. But this seems all right. There's not like a huge amount of texture or anything like that. I'll put a little bit on my chin. Okay. Let's start up here. Actually, I am super impressed with the Tower 28. I have a couple of other concealers to try. They are not like brand new by any means, but they are brand new to me. Usually I didn't used to like worry about if things were hydrating or not, but times are changing. It just might be that I'm just gonna have to wear primer with absolutely everything now. And I don't know, it's not even primer, it's oil. So it is what it is. I really don't mind the Ritual Defy Thorn Oil. It's very nice. So it's all good. It's fine. Okay. I think everything looks even. My forehead is crazy right now. I tell you, never ever in my life has my skin been so dry. Okay, I'm going to I think I'm gonna contour a little bit. I've got the Makeup Forever Professional, oh, that's just their name, Professional Paris. This is the Skin Face Essentials palette, and I'm gonna use this grayish brown to kind of contour a little. Hopefully I don't make everything look too muddy on my skin. Sometimes I have that problem. Things just start looking too muddy. I don't really know why. I'm not a professional. I'm just a regular old person. Just doing their makeup, having fun, filming it. That's it. So anyway, yeah. Yesterday, not the best day for me to film. My eyes were so puffy. And then Monday, let's see, I'm gonna get the bronzer now. I'm gonna bronze with this one right here. Monday was President's Day, so my kids were home from school. It's kind of, I mean, I'm gonna have to figure something out in the summertime because obviously they're gonna be here every day. So I'm gonna have to just figure it out. There we go, it looked very bronzed now. So my plan is that I want to try all of the like moisturizing things that I found that were supposed to be the most moisturizing things, and I want to just try them out without a primer. But although this one's supposed to be really moisturizing, but when it came out it was pretty thick. So maybe something that would something that with a little bit more like light watery-ish kind of texture won't be as clean, although it seems like everything clings to my skin these days. We'll see. Okay, now I'm getting the Glow Recipe Dewy Flush. I'm just gonna dot. And it does smell like watermelon. I think I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is a Colourpop F31. I didn't tell you what that other brush was either. It's a Real Techniques tapered cheek brush. Oh, that's nice. And it looks like really kind of shimmery on the skin a little bit. Not like super shimmery, but just like, you know, not... It does have like a little bit of a sheen to it, which I like. It's really nice. I like it a lot. It's just like really nice and natural looking. It's lovely. So if you wanted to give those a try, I think it's worth it. It's really pretty. I don't think I'm gonna put a highlighter on because it already has like a nice like sheen to it. Ooh, I really like that. Okay. Okay, I guess it's just eyes now. I'm just gonna use the Natasha Denona I Need a Warm palette. And I think I'm gonna go in with this one right here. It's called Ripe. I'm just gonna kind of take that to the outer corner and through the crease. Okay. Next. It looks like I have never used this one. I'm going to use this one, and it's called Push. Oh yeah, I got too many things up here on my desk. All right, I'm just going to take the same brush, dip it in there. I'm just going to put it on the lid. Okay, let's see. And then next I'm going to go in with Soft Spot. I'm just going to take it just that tiny bit on the outer corner and not bring it all the way in. Okay, I think that looks pretty even. Okay, mascara. I'm just gonna do brown. Nope, that's black. And I'm just gonna use the Tower 28. It's the only brown mascara I have. All right, there we go. I've got eyelashes. Okay, and now I need eyebrows. I'm just gonna use my Kosas pencil like always. Okay, I need to brush them out a little bit. I think I need to use a different brush to brush out my eyebrows. There is a lot of stuff in this brush. It's kind of disgusting. Ew. Ew, 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 very ew. Oh, I'm making it worse. I'm making it so much worse. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Oh, it is truly disgusting now. Okay, well, whoops. It's okay. I have another brush that I'll be able to use, but, ugh. I destroyed that one. Whoopsie daisies. Okay, oh, that's right. Lips. I need to put on lips. think I'm just gonna do this, and then with I have a NYX pencil, and this color is Nude Beige. And I'm just gonna kind of just go around my lips and kind of try to like make them look bigger. Which this pencil is perfect for. It's like, this is an extension of my lips. Oh my God. I'm just not noticing I have this wrinkle right here. I feel like wasn't there before. Oh, 40 is bringing lots of fun surprises. It'll be fine, it's okay. I am grateful to be turning 40. It is a blessing to get older. Not everyone gets to do it. I am lucky. All right, this is the Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss from Covergirl. Smells like pina colada. I need to use that one more. Okay, and that's the finished look. Let's see, let me, I mean, it looks okay. It would look better if I had on a primer probably. So the next time I use that, I'm gonna remember that I need to put a primer with it. I wonder if an oil would even work with this. It doesn't even have the ingredients on it right here. I have to go online and find them and see if it would if it'd work okay with the oil, but I'm gonna give that a try. And so far, that blush is gorgeous. Okay, but anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.